Shrimp is one of the most popular seafoods in the world. People enjoy shrimp in many countries and cultures. It is used in street food, home cooking, and luxury restaurants. But very few people know how shrimp travel from the ocean to their plate. Shrimp live in shallow coastal waters, rivers, and near mangroves. These areas are rich in food and nutrients. Shrimp usually live in groups and move together to find food and stay safe from predators. They play an important role in keeping the ocean clean and balanced. Every day, fishermen go into the sea to catch shrimp. They use modern boats with GPS and sonar systems to find the best fishing areas. When they find a good location, they lower large nets into the water. These nets move slowly along the sea floor and collect shrimp inside them. After some time, the nets are pulled back onto the boat. Hundreds or even thousands of shrimp come out with the net. Water drips from the net and the deck becomes wet. This is the most important moment for fishermen because it shows their hard work has paid off. Once the shrimp are on the boat, they must be handled quickly. Shrimp can spoil very fast if they are not kept cold. Fishermen clean the shrimp and place them in boxes filled with ice. This helps keep them fresh until they reach the port. When the boats return to land, the shrimp are unloaded and placed into refrigerated trucks. These trucks keep the shrimp cold during transport. This system is called the cold chain. It helps protect the quality and safety of seafood. The trucks take the shrimp to processing factories. Inside these factories, workers wear gloves, masks, and protective clothes to keep everything clean. The shrimp are placed on conveyor belts and washed with clean water to remove dirt and sand. After washing, the shrimp are sorted by size and quality. Machines and workers work together to separate small, medium, and large shrimp. Damaged or low-quality shrimp are removed, only the best shrimp move to the next stage. Next, the shrimp are peeled and cleaned. Their shells are removed and the inside is cleaned carefully. Some factories use machines for this work, while others use skilled workers. This process makes the shrimp ready for cooking. After cleaning, the shrimp are blanched in hot water for a short time. This kills harmful bacteria and improves shelf life. Then they are cooled quickly to stop overcooking and protect their texture. The shrimp are then frozen using special freezing machines. This is called flash freezing. The temperature becomes very low in a short time. This helps keep harmful bacteria and improves shelf life. Once frozen, the shrimp are packaged into sealed bags or boxes. Air is removed from the packaging to prevent damage. Labels are added with information about weight, date, and origin. This helps customers know what they are buying.
These shrimps are so fresh. I love the sauce. Perfect for a family dinner.